Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Max. Before we start the video, I have a small question. What is the most common size of solar panels you use in your projects? You can answer in the comments section of our video. Now, let's start today's video. Have you ever had this nightmare? One project is kicking off, but your client changes the solar panel size. Suddenly, your original end clamps are useless. So, what's your move? Repurchase or new order? Air freight? The cost is too high. Sea freight? The time is too urgent. Don't worry. This is an upgraded version of ERK-FEC. The name is ERK-FEC-3035. The digital logo above is easy to see. The career structure design allows you to switch between 30 mm and 35 mm. In addition, we also have an 35 and 40 tape to choose. The most important thing is that this product is the best choice for the most solar panel size, so you can keep it as a stock product. That's all for today's video. If you want to see content like this, make sure to subscribe. See you next time!